What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to another fire jump rope tutorial peeps, where today I'm sharing with you a killer combo. You've just seen the clip of it just now. We're going to be piecing together 4 really kind of, I would say, intermediate advanced moves right now, but I'm going to share with you how to go through it step by step, right? We're going to get straight into this tutorial. Remember, if you haven't already, go pick yourself up the most in-demand skipping rope on the planet. This is the RA speed rope, also known as the money rope. Use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount. We're going to get started straight away. Right, people, okay, as you just seen by this tutorial, and whatever, it's going to be probably an advanced tutorial, of course, but you need to be able to do 4 moves by itself or standalone before you can piece it together, right? The first move you need to put together, and actually a little caveat, I'm going to digress a little bit. When I go into this combo, I do throw in kind of like small little boxer step southpaws, kind of get into the rhythm of it. You know, you could do that as well if you want, but I love doing it before I get into all my combos, just get my feet set. So that's another kind of tutorial, but you know how to do this if you're already advanced. When you get into this tutorial now, the first move you're going to try and do, first and foremost, is a side swing cross double under. All right, now I'm going to try and do it slow motion in person. You're going to see the B-roll as well as I'm talking. The main thing you do when you do this first segment of the move is when you step into it, you go to your stronger side, which in my case is my left-hand side. As you come, you side swing to your left or to your right, for example. When you come over now, you're going to get the whip twice, all right? So one jump, twice around you. That's a side swing cross double under, and it looks something like this. So as you come, set your feet. Here we go. Right, a good tip for this is when you come to doing this move, bring your hands down the skipping rope, right, down the handle. Give yourself as much width as possible, and then also with the thumb, hopefully you caught my grip tutorial, the thumb is what's going to allow you to get the revolution speed you need. So you're going to do that twice, all right? Really nice and quick. You've just done that, taken off. From here, you need to make sure you've got a wide enough cross, obviously, so it passes your body, and quick flick of the wrist to get it twice. At this point now, you're into the combination, right? You're getting really fast. You've got good height on your jump. So we're here. Once you've done this, right, you land. The next thing you're going to do is go to your opposite side. So for me, go to my right-hand side. Again, I've got the B-roll showing in the background in slow motion. I know you guys love the slow motions. When you're in this position now, you're going to go into a southpaw double under, all right? So you've just landed. You're now going to make sure that in my case, because the left hand crossed over, the left hand stays on top, and we go straight into the southpaw double under, right? So for you, if you're coming from the right-hand side, right hand here, cross twice, go to your left-hand side, you're gonna open the rope out with your right hand, right? So it looks something like this. Now this is going into the second part of the move. Here we go. Set your feet. It's always important to set your feet. You're gonna go straight into the move, talk to your body, talk to your arms. So here we go. Just like that. Now this part is really tough, right? This is where, when I was learning this combo, this is where I used to trip up a lot, was because it was the timing of doing the 2 crosses, landing, jumping into the southpaw, right? It's very difficult. That's going to take a bit of practice. Now, you're into the second part, or you're halfway there nearly now, right? So you're going to start your southpaw double unders. So we're here now. So we just finished that move and we're here now. We're into our southpaw double unders. I expect you guys to know this already, especially, like I said, it's an advanced tutorial. Go back and check my southpaw double under tutorials, check my side swing cross tutorials. I've got them all right, standalone. When you come to piecing it together, try and go as slow as possible. So I'm going to show you going slow as possible now, how it all looks. You don't want to go too fast at this point, all right? All right, we're now here. We're going slow. Now from here, you're going to do a side swing cross double, all right? I mean, these are not the official terms. I'm just expecting them to be called side swing cross double. But so we're here. So imagine we're in the third part of the move. We're here. Boom. Side swing cross double, right? Now I've got a tutorial on the next move, which is the behind the back EB double, right? That's going to come next. So we're here. Practice this slowly. Side swing cross, behind the back, or EB double, okay? To piece those 2 together, as you'll see from the tutorial, that move as well, when you come to doing the side swing cross double here, boom. The next thing you have to do is, again, come to your opposite side, and you're going to flick that rope around you as you take off again. So come back here again. As you come back to doing this EB from behind the back, you've just crossed here, you jump through the rope, you've got to get a lot of whip from this backhand whip that around you. So then when it comes, boom, when it comes around you, it's at the same speed as the whole combination. That's the main thing. That's the big point here, peeps, is when you come to do this combination, you want to make sure that the revolutions are going at the same speed, right? So you don't want to be rushing everything. It's all about hand technique, manipulation of the rope. Once you finish up with the EB, peeps, you can just go into chill boxer step. So here, just like this, all right? That's what's going to make the combo look really nice, okay? Because if you can kind of learn to do the speed control element of it. So going from the top, don't want this tutorial to be too long, just want you guys to see this combo and give it a go. So from the top, I like to start simple, a little bit of southpaws, a bit of boxer step, maybe a little cross, set my feet. And then back to slow. The nice thing, peeps, about doing this type of combination in this type of style is that anyone watching, every time you practice it, you're learning to go fast, then back to slow, fast, back to slow. The key here is not to think about speed. The key here is to think about going, again, as slow as possible, executing every single move at the same revolution speed, and then being able to come back and, yeah, execute it at your own speed. Then you can start to go as quick as possible, right? So again, it doesn't come overnight. It's super tiring. You're gonna get slapped, you're gonna get whipped, but that is the beauty of the skipping rope, peeps. It is the one thing that makes a winner out of all of us. So yeah, keep crushing it out there. Keep tagging us on Instagram. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to see going forward. I am building combos like this in the background for you guys, and I'll be sharing a lot more to come. So subscribe and start crushing it. So I'm gonna see you in that next video, people. Hope you are all keeping safe out there. Lockdown 2s are approaching across Europe and the world. And yeah, it's a crazy time in the world. So just, yeah, stay safe out there. Keep your friends, family safe. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna see you in that next video. So without further ado, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.